Life goes on. The telephone is ringing. The sun is shining. The wind is blowing. Life goes on. The television is glaring, and I sit staring at images of a war-torn nation. The only problem is we are not at war. Or are we? Life goes on. The children are playing. The cars are traveling to and fro. I wonder where they're going, and do they know that we are at war? A war from within, the enemy that we fight day and night, each other. No compassion for a sister or a brother in pain. What a shame. Life goes on. The stores are selling goods and wares. We buy our stuff and it seems like nobody cares. Our black boys are dying. No, not a noose this time. Called into a life of crime. Or maybe just walking the line. The protectors of society are on their beat. Murder, murder, we cry in the streets, and life goes on.